If you work in the field of 3D design, or in game development, or in VFX, or even in the field of 3D printing, then you know very well that creating a professional 3D model is not just a push of a button. It is a long journey that starts with an idea, then initial modeling, then modification, then remodification, then geometry cleanup, then topology correction, then testing, then stepping back one step, and so on. It is an exhausting process that consumes time, consumes mental energy, and sometimes kills creative enthusiasm before the project is truly born. But what if you were told that this long journey could be drastically shortened? What if you could turn a written idea, or a reference image, or even a simple hand-drawn sketch into a 3D model that is clean, accurate, and production-ready? Today, we are reviewing a platform that claims to do exactly that. And in this video, I'm reviewing Tripo 3.0 from a real production perspective, covering game development, VFX, AI 3D creation, and 3D printing workflows. A platform that relies on artificial intelligence to generate 3D models with professional quality and in record time. The name of this platform is Tripo 3.0. Tripo 3.0 is a platform specialized in generating 3D models using modern AI technologies, and it is available in several ways to suit different users. You can use it directly through the browser without the need to install any software. You can also access it through a dedicated Discord bot, which is a preferred option for teams and creative communities. It also provides an API interface for developers to integrate its capabilities directly into their tools or production pipelines. As you can see here on screen, the platform allows you to create 3D models from several different sources. First, converting written text into 3D, or what is known as text to 3D. Second, converting reference images into 3D models, image to 3D. Third, converting hand-drawn sketches into real 3D models, sketch to 3D. But what really makes Tripo 3.0 stand out is not just its ability to generate models, but the quality of the final results. We are not talking about random models or visually appealing shapes that are impractical. We are talking about clean geometry, sharp details, and well-structured topology, with models that are truly usable inside game engines, animation software, VFX pipelines, or even 3D printing workflows. And this is exactly where the difference begins between an AI demo tool and a real production platform. Let's start with the interface. As you see on screen, the Tripo 3.0 interface is simple, clear, and direct. It does not try to visually impress you with exaggerated colors or unnecessary complexity. On the contrary, the interface is designed to serve one thing only: speed and functionality. Right here, you can enter a text prompt, upload a reference image, or import a hand-drawn sketch. Below that, you'll find resolution options, processing settings, and quality levels that you can adjust based on your project needs. Everything is in its place. No clutter, no confusion. What is especially important here is that you don't need any advanced technical expertise to get started. Even if you're a beginner in 3D, or coming purely from an artistic background, the platform guides you step by step. And this is a key element in any successful AI tool: lowering the barrier to entry without sacrificing quality. Now let's move from theory to real usage. I'll write a simple prompt here, and in other cases, you could just as easily upload an image or a hand-drawn sketch. After that, we press Generate. As you're watching on screen, Tripo starts analyzing the input, understanding the shapes, breaking down the structure, and rebuilding everything as a complete 3D model. Within just a few minutes, a model appears with clean geometry, accurate proportions, and a well-distributed mesh. Edges are sharp where they need to be sharp. Smooth surfaces remain smooth, without distortion or unnecessary artifacts. And the final result stays very close to the original reference, whether that reference was text, an image, or a sketch. And here lies a real advantage for anyone working in production. Because this means one thing: less time fixing, more time creating. Instead of spending hours cleaning topology or correcting geometry errors, you start from a very advanced stage. Tripo 3.0 offers two main generation modes. The first is standard mode. This mode is ideal for games, interactive content, prototypes, and fast production cycles. The output is lightweight, optimized, and ready for use inside engines like Unity or Unreal Engine. The second mode is Ultra Mode, and this is where things move to another level. Higher resolution, greater geometric accuracy, and results suitable for high-end VFX, cinematic production, and high-quality 3D printing. And the best part is, you choose the mode based on your real needs. The platform doesn't force a fixed workflow on you.
And this is where Tripo 3.0 truly shifts from being just an AI tool to a reliable production platform, because it doesn't stop at generating a model. First, it provides automatic retopology, saving massive amounts of time for game and animation workflows. Second, it offers intelligent segmentation, dividing models into logical, controllable parts that are easy to edit or animate. Third, and this is critical for many users, auto-rigging. Bones, joints, and hierarchy are generated automatically, making the model ready for animation almost instantly. This means you're not just getting a visually appealing model, but a model ready for real-world production from the very first moment. Another powerful aspect is multimodal prompting. You're not limited to text alone. You can combine text, images, and sketches to guide the AI with far more precision. Tripo 3.0 also integrates Flux technologies with GPT-4o models, allowing the system to better understand user intent, artistic context, and production goals. This is not experimental AI. This is controlled, professional AI built for creators. After reviewing everything, it becomes clear who Tripo 3.0 is built for. Game developers, VFX artists, 3D designers, 3D printing professionals, and even technical content creators will all benefit from this platform. Whether you work alone or within a large production team, Tripo 3.0 eliminates a massive amount of repetitive work. And that time goes back where it belongs: creativity, experimentation, and refining ideas. Before we end, there's an important offer you should know about. If you register on Tripo 3.0 using my invite link or invite code, available in the description, you will receive an extra 500 credits for free as a new user. On top of that, by using the discount code listed below, you'll get 60% off your first month of the professional plan. All you need to do is click the link in the description, register through it, and apply the discount code to activate the offer. In the end, it's important to say this clearly. Tripo 3.0 is not here to replace creativity. It's here to support it. It's a smart creative partner that removes exhausting technical steps and gives you more space to focus on vision, ideas, and artistic direction. If you're looking to speed up your workflow, reduce wasted time, and push your projects to a higher professional level, then Tripo 3.0 is absolutely worth trying. And if you enjoyed this type of deep, practical review, don't forget to subscribe, support the channel, and stay tuned. More in-depth content is coming. See you in the next video.